Hi all of you, welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials and welcome to our session Shell Operators. Okay, so we have four kinds of the shell operators we are going to use in our shell scripting. These operators all of you are familiar in your C programming language. Those are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators and as well as arithmetic operators. Okay, so now each and every operator, these operators can also be supported in your shell programming. What is the purpose of each and every operator and how it can be represented in the shell scripting separately? Now we are going to see. See here, first we are going to see the arithmetic operators. I am writing here arithmetic operators. What are the various arithmetic operators? Plus for addition, minus for subtraction, and multiplication, division, modulus, and so on, etc. are the arithmetic operators. These set is same as C. Okay, so in Linux. Number 2, relational operators we are going to talk about. What are the various relational operators? Equal to, greater than equal to, less than equal to, greater than, lesser than, and not equal to. All these are the various relational operators. But the way of the representation of the relational operators is different from C to shell. This is the way of the representation of the relational operators in the C. How they are going to represent in shells, now we are going to see. See, relational operators can be represented as equal to can be represented as hyphen EQ, not equal to can be represented as hyphen NE, and greater than or equal to is represented as hyphen GE, lesser than or equal to is represented as hyphen LE, okay, and greater than is represented as hyphen GT, lesser than is represented as hyphen LT. Like that, the set of the relational operators can be represented. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that. This is the set of the relational operators, how they can be represented in the shell programming. These are the representation of the C and this is the representation in shell. Okay. Next we are going to talk about the logical operators. What are the various logical operators in shell scripting now? We are going to see. See, logical operators means double ampersand is used for AND, pipe is used for OR, and this is equal to NOT. This is not there in the Linux. Only these two can be used in the shell. That means double ampersand represented as AND operator and this is nothing but OR operator. So these are the logical operators that can be used in shell scripting. Next we are going to see one more operator that is called as assignment operator. Whenever you want to assign a value to a variable, in C you use the equals to is the assignment operator. The same here also, that means APPLE_1 equal to 0. That means the value 0 is assigned to the variable APPLE_1. Like that you can assign the value with the help of this assignment variable. Now we are going to see, these are the set of the operators we completed, that arithmetic, relational, logical and assignment operators. Now we are going to see what are the various control structures that are supported in the shell programming, how they can be used. See the various kinds of control structures. We need to see first conditional statements here. What are the conditional statements? Number 1, if. Number 2, case. Next one is looping statements. Looping statements. Number 1, while. Number 2, for. these two. Okay, so first we are going to see simple if. How the simple if can be represented. If in C and in shell. I will differentiate both. If expression statement 1, statement 2, close. This statement 2 is optional. We can write, we may not write. But the same simple if can be represented if expression then statement 1 free. This is the structure of the simple if in C. This is the structure of the simple if in shell. Now using the if with else, how it can be represented now we are going to see. That is if else statement. If expression statement else statement 2 close. This is the way of the representation of if else statement, whereas here if expression statement 1 else statement 2 free. This is the way to represent the C, else, if else in C and if else in shell. Now we are going to see how the multiple if statements can be represented in C, how the multiple statements can be represented in shell program. Okay, so multiple if. In C, if expression statement 1 else if expression statement else statement close. Statement 2 and statement 3. Like this we can represent else if in the C, this one. Now in shell, how it can be represented? If expression then statement 1 elif then statement 2 else statement 3 free. Two ifs we have used, we are closing two fees. Like that you can represent multiple if statements in shell program. And now we are going to see the looping statements. What are the various types of the looping statements that can be represented in C programming and how they can be represented in the shell. Now we are going to see. See, there are two most widely used looping statements are there in the shell programming. Number 1 while, number 2 for, number 3 do until. Number 1 while. How while can be represented? While in C I am writing here. While expression statement 1 statement 2, whereas in shell while expression do statement 1 statement 2, finally we have to use the keyword called done. So while, do, done. This is the way to represent the while in C and as well as in shall. Now we are going to see how for can be represented in C.